Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA Jaintia Hills Unit de pemon gaya ki nanduk gandu trik waklem bo por nemo indefinite strike de wadam kit ya kok na karkhana wa em harilom Jaintia ne wan em gaya lang yong MCTODA wa ki is Jaintia Manufacturing Association EJCMA ko man ga san gi karkhana kok de em lang gi he district is West Jaintia nanduk gi DC wa ki SP ha conference room ko yung kre kang UDC is Jaintia Hills kamu ku daw ni ga san gi truck Dua gina karkhana kok open kui ga baikit naga ceja sospa saka arja sanspa chiton. Hadin wakut ga yalang hawai klam of DC is Jaintia usivanch awasti de ongwa de kut ya yalang gi asany ne hewa depan senyau gi chitom gi bagi karkhana depan por gi paus ngi waperkat adrong idua gi tretrok. Neliang Justin Nakaru but ga EJCMA de ekublay wi gi DC wa ki SP ki R district wada kut ya klam gi asany hewa haga yalang de rai osnge yaki hai janmet wai u ya champion ki khat khande trik uni umnai. Hadin gaya lang ki he ke MCTODA de lagi semur kheneng wo khana yi khot ai to wa rai wa de mi na gaya lang ha kleriat wa de chong perkhat gi le praki hei to wa galutio lagi chaprang hawai klang wo moslandar marngar u chairman ke MCTDOA de ongu wa usnge ki wo yi chipor hei wa udam hi chwa ki wo ki de okuk na rilom Jaintia wai wa ha ka kandi tu unu mra da champion ki wa ka EJCMA wo ab adrong ipes nyau yong ka chocho de ongu wa ki karkhana em trok ki yong ki hi ye ki wo ki de okuk
Ma ga nang kondo is na ngu UDC USP wa him ki khia gi ni kam ni bentaw khut ye ni meeting apod di yung IR tali giseng wa ga Cook Manufacturing Association plus wa ga Meghalaya Commercial Truck and Driver Owner Association ka jingi kalam yung iya ke meeting to dai kuri wa dadu mestep wakila uweng no iya ga ya ga strike yung ki into dadu mestep mut suganta hadin Kajing ikut ku ar yang iyo ni kia ki diman ki em ha perdi yong ki wa i to uya kelam bieng ga khat khandi terik yong ni benai kata ngamut adin chipau sengi da ga wakila yo uya kelam lagi jong ga association ile yo kelam ya lagi jong ga association te yo point no i chaga solution kata no ni ga jing kelam.
So today we called the meeting between Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association Jaintia unit and also the East Jaintia Hills Coke Manufacturing Association. It is regarding the strike that was called by the Truck Drivers Association. There was some dispute between the association of the truck drivers and the Coke Manufacturing Association related to the rates and the number of trucks that they are getting to transport the materials. So we had requested both the parties to come to the middle ground. So in the meeting, both parties told us about their concerns, their demands from the Truck Owners Association side also and the Coke Manufacturing side also. So after the meeting, the Coke Manufacturing Association, they said that they need 10 days of time to decide on the demands and whatever they can give to them. So based on that, the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association also have agreed to the timeline, and they have said that they will go back and talk to their members, and they have requested 4 hours of time to decide and withdraw the strike. So we are hopeful that the strike will be withdrawn, and after 10 days we'll meet again to find the final conclusion to this issue.
Jongi kumka kenun jongi seng jongi nonya truk bat ki try truck ki ba ngi tip kumka kenun jonga Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association te menin ngi mentala kumba saus ngi la penlong ya ka ne ka strike ban kit ya ukuk nang tai na Jaintia Hills district kabade na ka district na ka East Jaintia Hills district bat na ka West Jaintia Hills district mentang ile strike kumba saus ngi ye menta menin ngi la yo ya ka city ka bala khot yang i ban ya slok ya kani ka kam bang ya strike na kaliang ka jongi na Deputy Commissioner jongka East Jaintia Hills district te la khot yang i ba minwan ya kren menta ka sngi ka por kharoi beje bat na kaliang ka jongi hadin ka jinga slok lang na ki nong yalam na ki district ba per na ki khot ka district ba per rangkat lang bat ka Jaintia Hills unit menengi la lej ban ya kendu ya kalau don gajing alang hang tai po office yang Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills pada kata gajing alang la don lang daki he lani kita ngila penong da kita ki nong sensar na baro artili ke district pada kaliang jong ka police department bat nakaliang jong ka district administration bat ngilai syong ngejing alang te rengkat bat ki try cook te nakaliang jong ki try cook ngila da biakran rengkat lang da ka jing edon lang jong kini kinong sensar jong ki atli ki district bat nakaliang jong ka bor nakaliang jong ini no penya jong ka cook ngila yo pensngo khamat ya ki jing dawa jongi khamat jong ini no sensar snong no sensar jong ka district ya ka dor ka ba ngila bu bat ngila karpat te nakaliang jong kini ki try cook bat hakmat ka jing non lang jong ki district administration kila panpor yangi ship house ngi bakin page bat wat benia ya kata kajing dawa ka jongi te nakaliang jongi ngila wahadin balawai ka jing alang ngila kan sai ya i deputy commissioner ya ki bor sensar ka district ba banweng lane banum weng ya ka strike ngi hab ban pan jingbit lane ngi hab ban wan ya selok bat ki pradkot ki jongi ki badon hang ni hamorong keneng ki balabu ya ka strike hadin baki dikot ki jongi nang tai na Jaintia Hills unit kila sya penunkam da ka bor haki bru ki badon bor bat hangta bat nakaliang jongi rengkat lang bat ki dikot ki bana district ba fer jong kani ka jala ka jongi gilawan ban bu se ka strike hang di bat hadin jing syakot dan nakaliang jongi nglia selok bat kini ki pradkot ki jongi jongi kin up ya kata ka sposi la nakaliang jong ka bor district bat ki try cook ka ai ka jubab bakinai telada ka jubab ki ai katkum bayahun lang nakaliang ki pradkot hang ni dan nakaliang ka jongi kemud bangin salikit ya ta ukuk bat ngin saya penyak sakrang jingkit jongi Henry lada kata ka jinya keren ka bakla lada nakaliang jongki kidang yalam bakla yangi lani kidang penbit yangi dan nakaliang ka jongi ngi hab ban sim biang ya kalat ban penlong ya ka strike kata kalong tang ship house ngi aipor nakaliang ka jongi adum takas ngi nakaliang ka jongi nginom palet kid ukuk nakaliang ka asion jongi ngilai raikut banginom let kid cook nginom let pat kid kidon ki kali jongi balakit ya kai balakit mentang sulit penham hari apo jongi spouse ngi nakaliang ki dikot jongi nginom let kid ukuk ki dikot jongi jongka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association nginom let kid ukuk liara yang ni mene nginom kid ngin abbe ya ka spouse ngi telada hadin spouse ngi kata ka jubab kalong ka basai ka penhun lang ya borok hot dan nakaliang jongi ngi salit pan kid ukuk andai lada kata ka jubab kam syai bat kam penhun lang ya borok hot ngin sa syong biang jingalang bat ngelati kena bangin sim biang ya kalat jongka jingaki persya igni cook factory
kumbaga lang man kaya ka strike daweng
ya ka strike ngi laweng namar ba nakaliang ka jongki kilong ba ai por ngi shiposi nadu menta balaya keren bakin ai yang ke jubab kin frame maki ya kita ki guidelines ke jongki ke kumno bakile telada kahun nakaliang jongin priang ya kata relada kimun nilai ikut ang ni mentam de nakaliang tang mangi ginong elam na nialing kum yang aku mu chairman relai lang ni barok khot da kamut bangin hapen ya syakmat ke jongi vi nakaliang ka jongi barok khot ki try cook kamdei tang ha Jaintia Hills district syaki kasil district ro baki don ki try cook ki badon ya ki kali jongki tang ba ngi ka asion jongi kalong bejba lada ki try cook ne kim dei try cook ro ngin ya bej market ju lada ki kali jongi ki yo shitrip jongki ru de banyo alang shitrip lada ki kali jongi ki yo ar jongki ru kin yo ar kamdei bandon kano ka jingno isliang kata ngila ya kensai ban ngila ya ile ya kanina kapo sa kapo ladangi ailat ikini try factory bakin kitkat ka bomon haka pukut ngin selong kumbolong ka cement factory ba ki jongi kamud ba kinum yo trip show bat sa jelay lut sa capture lut dan sa kam try lut nakaliang jongi try factory kai ga bangila lap panya inti